What to do if there are too many overripe pineapple that can't be consumed before they go bad? Turn them to pineapple juice. This recipe is for 2 servings. The ingredients needed are 2 small Josephine pineapple, cut and clean, some syrup, salt, and ice cube. We will start with cutting the pineapple into half. As the center core is quite hard, we are cutting it here. Now cut off the core and then cut it into half again. Repeat the rest of the quarters. So now I have 8 pieces for 1 pineapple. Next, juice the pineapple with the juicer. Use the jug to collect the juice. I'm using Pyrex measurement mug for convenience. Start the machine. Use a pair of tongs to pick up the pineapple piece by piece and drop it into the feeding opening. Put it down with the pusher. Repeat until the Pyrex mug is almost full. This much of the pure juice should be enough. I will use half a cup of water into the feeding opening to wash it down. Now the pineapple juice is perfectly full mug. Switch off the machine and we are done juicing. Next, we are tasting the juice, if it's sweet or sour. It is sour sweet. I'm adding a pinch of salt and 3 tablespoons of syrup. Give it a mix until well combined. Alright, it is perfect. Fill the glasses with ice cube. Add in the spoon for ease of stirring. And pour the lovely pineapple juice in both glasses. Okay, that's all of the refreshing pineapple juice. Afternoon tea is ready. Cheers! Wow, so refreshing, so sweet and very fragrant. Perfect for the hot afternoon like this. Lovely. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on the next simple home cooked recipe. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.